Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today I'm really happy to show you the bass line from Jordin's post-track Blossom, and it sounds like this. Original. Remake. Sounds pretty close, not exactly the same, but I'm really happy with it, and now I'm going to show you how to make it. As usual, you can grab this preset here in the description below, and if you like that, you can buy me a coffee also here in the description below. But enough about talking, and let's start with the sound design. So we're here in the preset. We're going to start with two basic shapes. And basic shapes number one, we're going to use two sine waves, and we're going to use an octave down. And we're going to put the basic shapes B all the way down in the level, and it sounds like this. It's just a sine wave, but we're going to use FM from B, and we're going to put this to 35%. We're also going to increase the level a little bit to 85%. And now we're going to go here to envelope 1, and we're going to put the release to around 290 milliseconds. Perfect. Still not the sound that we want. The sound that we want needs a little bit more of character, so we're going to start doing this character with a filter. We're going to choose MG Low 24. We're going to pick the cutoff here and put it to 15 Hertz. And we're going to pick the resonance and put it to 19 Hertz. And the drive to around 28 Hertz. And it sounds like this. Still nothing, but that's because we need an envelope 2 to do the automation. We're going to pick the decay, put it to around a second 58. The sustain, we're going to leave it at 37%. And the release, we're going to leave it at around 850, something like this. We're also going to pick these handles over here and put them a little bit straighter. And we're going to automate envelope 2 with this, and it sounds like this. We're going to use the automation to around 45. Starts having that characteristic sound that we want, but we're going to finish it now in the effects section. We're going to start with the distortion. We're going to pick the drive and put it to 94%. Without it. You can see it really creates a character to the sound. And now we're going to use a filter, MG Low 18 right now. We're going to pick the cutoff, put it all the way down. And we're going to also use envelope 2 to modulate this. And we're going to use the modulation here at 54. Now we're going to pick the resonance and put it at 25% and the drive to 6%. You can see it already has that kind of thumpy, bassy sound that we want. And now we just have to finish it by making it a little bit wider. But we're going to choose the hyper and put it all the way down, the size all the way down. And we're going to pick the mix of the dimension and put it to 26%. When we compare to the original, still missing a little bit of the thump in the beginning. Boom, 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 boom. And we're going to do this with envelope 3. We're going to go to the matrix. Envelope 3. We're going to pick the global, put a master tune. I'm going to put it here to 12. And we're going to do this. We're going to put the sustain all the way down. And the decay, we're going to put to around 10 milliseconds. You can make it bigger. You can make it thumpier. And there we go. If you want to listen in context, let's make it a little louder. Original. And there you go. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, as usual, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And I see you in the next Abstrakt video next week. Ciao.